Hey guys, we're doing the team draw for the 4-box break. Random is live. Players, participants, my bad. 8 participants, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Teams, we're going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Random is complete. The teams are Sash with the Suns, Luke Foster, Thunder Jazz, Daniel Kins, Rhodes Nets, Phil with the Wizards, Rodney Nuggets, Ashy with the Cavs, Adam Blazers, Rodney Spurs, Carlos Hornets, Dylan with the Hawks and Pelicans, Sash with Rockets, Cam with the Grizz, Kaylee with the Pistons, Dylan with the Magic, Boyd Martin with the Mavericks, Mark Skinner with the Celtics, Johnny Deegan with the Bucks, Jason with the Wolves, Boyd with the Heat, Boyd with the Heat, Dylan with the Lakers, Joel with Knicks, Albie with Bulls, Cam with Sixers, Carlos Pacers, Peter Kane Clippers, Ruben Raptors, and Mose with the Warriors. So there's the teams.